first very popular platform to build your website and build it in a DIY, that is do it yourself way, is WordPress. As per recent research reports, more than 40% of all the websites of the world have been built on WordPress as of today. It is a very popular content management system. By content management system, what I mean is that the platform is based on a database. And yes, one of the strongest points for WordPress is that it is open source and is absolutely free. The core platform can be downloaded and used for free on your own hosting space. WordPress offers a very wide range of customizable themes and plugins, making it a very good choice both for beginners and advanced users together. It also supports modification of codes as it is an open source platform, so that you can build in more and more features besides those that are already available either for free or in a paid manner across various platforms. So have a good day and enjoy yourself.